What's up, guys? Hey, we all talk about a little bit of a side hustle, but if you have a water trailer like this or a big thing, there's another way you can make a couple bucks and get your foot in the door with some of these developers. It's when they lay sod down. You have to really juice it with a lot of water. We're talking thousands of gallons. I think the average is 0.6 gallons per square foot, and really heavily set the sod. I do this for a few guys in the area, but more importantly, it gets my foot in the door for later when they want to clean the streets down. You know, you can make $10,000, $15,000 cleaning some of these roads down with this type of system, cleaning the concrete down and so forth after all the construction. So doing this, getting your name here, your rig here, get you familiar with the people, with, you know, the property management company and so forth. So it's a good hustle. I charge $300 for every tank I fill. They pay for the water. I charge them $300 to put it down, and it's simple, you know. Basically. So just lay it down. Also, clean the streets. Besides that, give a good dosing to the sod. Look at this. That shirt's pretty far. Like I said, that's a little side hustle. $300 a tank. You make $600, you know, late at night here when there's no one around, the sun's down. You know, you come out here with your kid or whatever after you're done spraying all day long and just spray some water. And it gives you the opportunity to go ahead and possibly do all the concrete work. You know, when they go to pour the new asphalt, they're gonna want all this construction. All this dirt here taken away, and you know, like a 20 cents a square foot, the shit adds up, man. You can make some money. And what I do is, this is my setup. These pumps here I buy for like $250. They're nothing special. They're right here. That's the model number if you want to look it up. I take the hard hose, and when I do the streets, you know those clamps, we take the hard hose, bring it around to the back. And I used to use the fire hose, but I'm using a stiffer hose. And I'll just stand right here. And then we basically just have the two-way radios. And I tell the guy, move forward, move forward, move forward. And we just clean the streets down. But yeah, it puts out the volume. You know, we trenched all this sod. We had a bunch of sod up there we had to do. So you know what? I mean, $600 a night for, you know, for a week. That ain't bad. A couple extra bucks put in your pocket. Because you know, if the sod ain't really drenched down, it ain't gonna take. So, and you could tell they've put down a lot of sod before. I don't know if you can see here, and it just didn't take. So it's important for the first week, besides all the sprinklers during the day, at night just to drench it down. All right, guys. You know, always looking to make money. I don't like selling other services with my spraying service, like paver sealing and all that kind of other shit. It takes too much time during the day, but I don't mind coming here at night and just enjoying myself. Got the dog in the car, and make a couple bucks at night. This is easy stuff. They have, they must supply the fire hydrant, fill, and that's it. All right, guys, keep on spraying, and remember, we're not in the business of washing. We're in the business of making money. It doesn't make sense. Don't do it. And we're not here, to save the manatees. We're not here to restore homes. We're here to wash them. So you educate your customers, set their expectations, and keep the price on the street high. All right? Don't disrespect this business and drive it down. Don't do it. Everybody's entitled to make money. We're not talking about making a living. If you want to make a living and own your own business, go work at fucking McDonald's. If you own your own business, you're owning it to make money, not to make a living. And there's a big difference. Peace.